So, you bought a new Steigen. Now you have no clue what to do with it. First, let's switch on the main power. You will hear a long beep indicating it is on. Let's take a look at the remotes. This is the Ultra remote and this is the Solar remote. The difference between these two is that the Solar remote does not have the ultrasonic button. Separate the remote and look at the underside of the remote. Flip the power button on. Now it's ready to use. Let's bring down the Steigen. The Steigen stops when it touches something. You can also stop it by pressing the middle button or the top button. The top button also brings up the Steigen. You can stop it from going up by doing the same. Let's check out the light switch on the bottom right. Tip: you can also swipe the buttons on the remote rather than pressing it. The top right button is the blower. You can see green lights indicating that it is on. If you press the same button, it will turn off. Otherwise, it will turn off in 3 hours. The bottom left turns on the heater. You can see red lights indicating that it is on. When you press the same button, the cooler turns on for 15 seconds before turning off. Otherwise, it will also last for 3 hours. The top left button turns on the anti-dust mite feature. You can also see a red light here. Do note that this only works when retracted. You can turn it off by pressing the same button, or it will turn off automatically in 30 minutes. Let's bring out the poles. You can extend the poles and lock it by turning it clockwise. You can also bring down the inner poles. This extends up to 2,117 millimeters and can even fit a king-size bedsheet. Now let's put the poles back. Turning it counterclockwise will unlock it and you can retract the pole. Take a look at the very back of the remote. Here, there are 3M command tapes that you can peel off and stick onto your wall. There are also magnets that you can use to stick onto your fridge. Our remote is designed to fit alongside your switches. Now you're all set up and ready to use your Steigen.